Hi guys, TinaGale here with another haul video. This is from Tuesday morning. We went to Branson, to Silver Dollar City, and shopping around town. And so I decided to check out their Tuesday morning. I hadn't ever been, and it's a really good one. And it had a small section, but it was very well organized. It was the cleanest section of scrapbook stuff I have ever seen in any Tuesday morning. So I thought I would do a quick haul video for you. There was a lot of new stuff there, but it's things I already have or, I just don't need. So this is what I got. I have seen this several times and I've picked it up and put it back, but this time it went ahead and came home with me because this is going to match in with the products that I've bought for my wedding album. So you may have already seen that. So it's $2. It's got the rose gold foiling. So it's really pretty. And then this, I hadn't seen this in Tuesday morning before, but it's an older collection from My Mind's Eye. And I'm guessing they're reprinting these because this says 2019. But this is an old collection, but I do have paper and other product from it. And I love this kind of vintage rustic look, the distressed and all of that. So there's lots of pieces that I will use in here. And those were just $1.99. And then this is the Lost and Found Ruby. So it has all the wood grain with the pinks and the reds, and it is kind of geared Valentine's Day, but I don't think there was anything really in here like February 14th or anything, but it's definitely a love theme. So I picked up both of those. They had the puffy stickers from Whimsical, Paige Evans' line, and I have several pieces of this, but I don't have the puffy stickers, and I love all the little crafty stuff in it, so picked that up. This one, I picked up the chipboard to this collection in my last stop at a Tuesday morning, and so I can't resist puffy stickers. It's got this cute little Polaroid frame and the feathers. And it's such a unique color scheme with the turquoise and the minty green with the gray and the black. So I got that. And of course, if I find brads, I always pick them up. I love this one. It's called Love and Lemon, or Love Plus Lemon. So it has 4 of the great old big ones, and then a row of black and white small ones, and then these, some of them's got words, flowers, polka dots. So it's just gorgeous. And the black and the gold and pink, you had me. This is the collection that I bought so much of from the scrap room when they did their special sale. So I picked up 2 of these. Of course, they'll go with anything, but since I have so much of the collection and I have so many ideas that I want to use it for, I decided to go ahead and pick up 2, especially for the $1.99. This was another one that I picked up from the scrap room, and so I know I have the collection that goes with it, but I can use it for other things too, and I probably won't use like the rainbow and beach balls. I don't really do anything with beach balls or rainbows, but there's a lemon under there. Probably just tuck those in for embellishments or something. This one, I think I picked this up last year, but I love this collection. And you just can't beat $2 for brads. And it's got the red and the green and the turquoisey. And so I'll pick that up. And then they had this one from Pebbles that has all the red, white, and blue, which I love navy, and it's hard to find navy stuff, so picked it up. I can always use the red and the white. Another one for $1.99. And then I picked this up. This is actually going to be for someone. I have a little package putting together, so I picked it up to go with it. So it's not for me. Chamel, if I find it, I usually get it. I'm a huge Chamel fan. So this is one of her earlier collections that was titled Chamel. And I have a lot still left. I have used tons of this collection, but I love the colors in it. I love the icons, everything about it. So I have a few of these left, but I decided to pick up another one because I've enjoyed using that. And then they had Head in the Clouds. So this is what I found from it. They had the 12x12 pad and the 6x6, but I've already picked up the papers that I wanted from this collection, so I didn't really want them. And I don't like the 12 by 12 pads. They're too thin. The colors aren't vibrant. I don't care for them. So this is the ephemera pieces. So I have a few of these that came in a scrap room kit, but I definitely wanted all the other ones. It's going to be perfect. I have a lot of different Disney photos that I have in mind for these. So I picked that up. They had the journaling pad, and it's just got some great patterns, things that you could tuck in for clusters and embellishing. So I wanted to grab it. It was only $2.99 with 36 sheets of 6 by 8. It's just a no-brainer. And then they had the 12 by 12 chipboard. So definitely wanted it. $2.99. You cannot beat it. I just love these little dragons. Okay, and then the Practically Perfect. I have this collection that I bought up when it came out, the different papers that I wanted. I picked very specific papers that pulled out the Mary Poppins and stuff, things that I could build on by adding generic papers and tone-on-tones and stuff with. So I definitely wanted the chipboard when I found it. And then I'm just a sucker for fall, so I picked up these. That was the chipboard accents from the Story of Fall. And then a couple of paper pads. I really didn't need any more paper, but there was this sweet little lady that was stocking the shelves and had to show me exactly what was new coming into that particular store. And this is one that I had looked at previously and had not purchased, and I really do love it. I'm going to go ahead and flip through it. Let me try to open this up. And I am type of person had quit buying paper pads, and recently I've bought just a few, but I have really high standards for my paper pads. I have to love every sheet. There may be one, but no, actually I have to love every sheet, front or back, one side or the other, or I won't buy it. And it has to be a good heavy weight. So this one has 4 6 by 6, but then the back is this polka dot. So I love that because I know I'm going to use that more than some cut aparts. So as you can see, there's 2 of each one. This is a beautiful floral and it has the rose gold foiling. The back is a peach diamond. And then we have these cut aparts that are 3 by 4. But I love this one because I know I can use that as a little journaling spot. But the back again is a full pattern, so it's acorns and leaves. And then this gorgeous gray plaid or check. The back of it is a green sweater, so I'll definitely be using the other side. This one's a gold foiling. I would use some of it, certainly not 2 sheets, but I love this one, and it's a good general, just a tone on tone. Be really pretty. Florals on the mint green, and the back is this coral color. It's really pretty. And this one that's on a dark brown with the foiling. And the back again is that sweater print, which I'm not too wild about. This one is a peachy geometric design. The back is these butterflies on the minty green. And then this floral. We have a plaid. And then all of these little recipe cards, this would be great just as a background, or you could definitely cut them apart and use as journaling spots. Then we have the green with the polka dot. And a plaid. The back is another gorgeous floral, another foiling with a plaid. So you can see there's lots of just general designs that's great for anything and layering up, and then all the gorgeous florals in this collection. Another tone on tone with green and a plaid. And then that minty green geometric striped. Another gorgeous floral. Green plaid. And then the acorns and the leaves and the foiling. So even though this is geared for autumn, it definitely could be used for any time of year. So again, for $6.99, it's 36 sheets. Loved all of them, at least one side of them. So it was a good deal. Then this one, I apologize if it's going to be like a blinding. This is, it says with foil. And I had looked at it while she was putting it on the shelf and thought, oh, that's pretty. Never even entertained my mind to buy it because I'm not one to use like a whole entire paper pad of foiled paper. But she showed me a tag, and I don't know why she had it, but she had a tag that she had made with them. And when I saw it, I immediately thought Christmas because there's red in here. Isn't that gorgeous? But when she showed me the tag, and I'm kind of on a kick right now that I want to get some cards done, I just thought this would be gorgeous for Christmas cards and even in a December album. So there's several sheets of the gold and then the red. And then this is kind of a white gold. And it's a textured feeling. The gold foiling is literally on top, so it kind of, you know, has that textured feeling. It's not a print. And then the silver. So yeah, 3. So there's 5 sheets of each of the colors, I think. That says 24. Something's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets of 4 different colors. But I just think that's going to be gorgeous. I know it's more than what I'll probably use, but I'll be happy to share it with my friends. So that one was $6.99 as well. So that's a look at everything I picked up this time at Tuesday morning. Again, seems like I always get one thing or the other, and I don't know if it's the stock that they have, but this time it seems to be chipboard and brads that were really in stock. Love everything I got. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will be back soon with a new process video. So have a great week, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.